Bill Wright Toyota has been serving Bakersfield for over 41 years. Here's another excellent used vehicle. The 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a pickup truck powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features air conditioning, power door locks, and power steering. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, power windows, and heated power mirrors. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Bill Wright Toyota, a Carfax Advantage dealer.
Bill Wright Toyota has been your Bakersfield Toyota dealer since 1969. We invite you to visit us today.